Apparently, when every effort fails to deliver the fuel economy without hampering the performance, it's hybrid, the new talk of town, gaining popularity around the world to do the unmatched. Even entered conventional sedan segment, Toyota getting down with this flow has unveiled the Corolla Hybrid at Shanghai Auto Show. Differentiating against the standard model, the newbie of Toyota wears a sharpened front grille with dual slats, LED lamps, larger wraparound air dam and recessed fog lamps. Furthermore, the alloy wheels too are carved out fresh log just like the new blue paint shade. Visibly, chrome has played an important part in promoting peppiness of Corolla Hybrid. Just to tip off, did someone notice the logo on forehead, which is also reworked, provided with the blue inlays to mimic it as hybrid? Feel at ease to pen down your thoughts in the comment section below.